Okay, so for DMR today, it says the table shows how far Rochelle ran in 3 days. All right, so Monday she did 2 miles, Wednesday she did 3 miles, and Friday she did 5 miles. I want to know how many feet on Monday and Friday altogether did Rochelle run? All right, so I need to figure out what I know. I need to figure out how far she ran first on Monday and Friday. So Monday, she did 2 miles, and Friday, she did 5 miles. So we have to figure it out together. So 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. So she did 7 miles. That's what we know. Over 1. So if we know 7 miles is over 1. We're trying to get to feet. So what we're trying to get to is on top. And what we have is miles. So we go to our conversion table and we're looking for miles and feet. Well, 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So if 1 mile equals 5,280 feet, I have to put 5,280 feet over 1 mile. So my miles cancel out, and you'll have your line there. So miles cancels out, miles cancels out. So since they're canceled out, I only have feet left over. Feet is what's left over. So now I have to multiply 7 times 5,280. And I don't know where your numbers are, so let me get you your numbers. That should have all been there. So let me get you your numbers so you don't have to worry about that. And let me get rid of all that. And let's move these over here. Let's get rid of your arrow. Move this over here. Let's snag this arrow out of the way. I apologize, guys. Put the arrow right here. And I'll move this back now. All right, now we're back in action. All right, so now that we have all our information, we need to now multiply 5,280 times 7. So we do our 5, 2, 8, 0. We're going to times it by 7. So we do 7 times 0 is 0. 8 times 7, 56. So we put our 6 down and our 5 up. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. And then we do 7 times 5, which is 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. So we do our 3, and then our 6. So we get, when we multiply that out, we get 36,960 feet. All right, 1 times 1, 1. So our answer is 36,960 feet. All right, so then you put that in your box over here. This type answer box will not be here, so you can show your work there. You can leave your answer over here for DMR. All right, and that's DMR for today.